A choice for tactical drone superiority. PapyDrone-800. A modern warfare game-changer, capable of reconnaissance and strike, drones are now essential on the battlefield. PapyDrone-800 is a military UAV solution with low observability, low cost, easy assembly, and multiple color options. Built with aerospace-grade corrugated material for covert and stable mission operations. Delivered as an assembly kit for rapid field deployment and mission readiness. A single platform enabling targeting, strike, reconnaissance, and hard kill missions. Decoy capability for asset protection and cover mission support. Low observable frame with integrated camera for secure reconnaissance data collection. Carries up to 500 grams of payload for precision strike missions. High-speed hard kill capability, neutralizing hostile drones up to 110 kilometers per hour. Optional waterproofing ensures stable operation in rain, wind, and maritime environments. Changing the battlefield with a single sheet of paper. The Peach, PapyDrone-800.